so stressful, and I think my hair started falling out for that. And obviously it was a hairdresser's or a barber's that actually picked it up and said, your hair is falling out. I shaved it off and I just thought, that's it then, it's gone and there's no way back. I'm not a vain person, I'm quite open with how I feel and the way I look and stuff. I think I've sort of learned to adapt and accept the way I am or the way other people are.
So what do you think it's going to be like? How do you think you're going to feel when you look in the mirror and you've got hair?
I don't really know. I'm nervous as well as excited at the same time.
I'm going to count to 3 and you're going to take off your glasses and see your new hair. Are you ready?
Yeah. Right.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ.
That's mad, isn't it?
I kind of want to swear, but...
Fucking swear, do it.
I can't actually tell, man. I can't actually tell where the hair is.
That's my job.